Daddy's Beauty Device. Funny new baby gifts by Big Dot of Happiness is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Daddy's Diaper Duty Device includes diapers and wipes, plastic togs, safety glasses and travel-sized baby products, all tucked into a fun apron tool belt, and accented with a funny new dad poem. Daddy's Diaper Duty Device apron holds multiple baby changing necessities, 6 diapers, size 3, baby wipes, 10 count, travel-size baby lotion, baby powder, baby shampoo, baby head-to-toe wash, and diaper cream, plastic togs, safety glasses, and funny poem. Funny gift for Dad. Dad's tool belt style apron is printed in front with the Daddy's Diaper Duty Device as well as with finest quality diaper changer and property of proud new daddy on each side. Arrives fully assembled. Daddy's Diaper Duty Device is carefully packaged by hand, making it an adorable and easy baby shower gift for daddy-to-be. Safety tip. Keep out of reach of children. This is not a toy. Not intended for use by children 12 years of age and under. Asterisk please note. Contents are subject to change without notice, based on availability. See individual labels for directions, ingredients, warnings, and other required information.